Hi there everyone, Josiah here with Womprat Creations and welcome back. If you're a new viewer, welcome. For this week's show and tell, I am pulling out my Jango Fett helmet. Now this started out as a casting from MinuteFett. You can go check him out on Instagram. I'll have a link to his profile down in the description. But this is a beautiful casting of Jango Fett's helmet. I'm not sure of the exact lineage of this helmet, and I will say, before going into the details of this, I messed up and I ended up having to replace the rangefinder. There was nothing wrong with the cast one. My wife and I had just got a new puppy right around the time that I got this. I left the rangefinder stock in an area that was accessible to the puppy, and she chewed it up. So I had to 3D print this one. So it's not a part of the original kit, but it works. It works, it's fine. I will end up replacing this someday because it's a little, as you can see, it kind of moves a little bit. It's a little flimsy because this top piece is a solid resin piece, so it's a little heavy for this 3D printed, almost hollow rangefinder stock. So that is not part of the original kit from MinuteFett, but this is a beautiful fiberglass casting of Jango Fett's helmet, and I love it. I got it as a raw casting, and I did some minor cleanup work. It was a really nice casting, just some minor cleanup work to get everything smooth, all the edges trimmed. And the reason that I have not done a show and tell on this before now is because I hadn't gotten around to installing the visor. But I just put the visor in. I installed it with some industrial strength Velcro. I'll get more into that in another video. But I really love this helmet. It's a much more basic paint job than Boba Fett's. But I mean, I don't know if you can tell with the camera, but I still managed to mess it up. For one, the lines, these black lines that go around the top of the whole dome aren't perfect. And I did get a slight blue overspray on the very top because I wasn't careful enough with my masking. But it's hardly noticeable, at least in person. Like I said, I'm not really sure how it's showing up on the camera, but I'm pretty pleased with how this came out. I'll probably revisit this again someday so I could give it a real nice finish. But I mean, the casting is just lovely. It's lovely work from MinuteFett, and I'm very grateful. I actually got this as a pretty good deal. I don't remember how much I paid for it, but I know that it was a pretty good deal. You should check out his page. He has really great deals popping up all the time on all kinds of cool helmets, and I think he's even offering some armor stuff now, which is awesome. But yeah, I am super pleased with this. It is a great addition to my growing Fett collection, and I mean, you can't have the son without the father. So thank you again to MinuteFett for the amazing casting. Thank you to you guys for all of your love and support and tuning in for another show and tell.
I'm just a simple man trying to make my way in the universe.
Hey, look at you, you overachiever you. You watched that entire video and you deserve something awesome in return. You can head over to wompratcreations.com. The link will be down in the description, and you can pick yourself up some awesome Womprat Creations merch, just like this original Only You Can Prevent Imperial Invasions Ewok t-shirt. Thanks, guys.
517 to scanner control. 517 to scanner control. 316, report to control. 53 to upper bay door. 53 to upper bay door.